Welcome to Man-Made Horrors Beyond Comprehension. Hi, I'm a molecular biologist, and today we're going to talk about brain organoids made in a lab and whether or not they experience consciousness. Brain organoids are brain structures made from stem cells. So we take some stem cells on a plate and give it the right materials to make it turn into a brain. However, these brains develop eyes spontaneously that actually receive information. We've also found that these brain organoids experience pain and stimuli, unlike your own brain. They do, however, have brain waves, and we can watch them thinking. Of course, it's fairly rudimentary. If you get enough brain matter in one place, it's going to start interacting with itself. We've also been able to make things like tear ducts that are standalone organoids that are actually able to function, which may be valuable in transplants in the future. Our findings that the brain organoids, which are really more like an organism at this point, their spontaneous production of more advanced neural tissue like eyes could be helpful for targeted tissue development for things like repairing a spinal cord. However, there is the consideration that when you make a brain organoid, let's say for treatment of a traumatic brain injury, you are essentially making a smaller, less developed version of your brain, made of the same cells. Hypothetically, we could take those very same stem cells and make another you if we really wanted to. It's not that hard, I know how. All of this information has led scientists to consider whether or not brain organoids should have moral status and be treated with respect when we're experimenting on them, or whether we should experiment on them at all. What do you think?